Finding out you've got money waiting is exciting, so let's dive straight into how you can smoothly receive funds via Worldremit. Worldremit makes receiving money super convenient, offering multiple payout options depending on your location and what the sender chose. These commonly include a direct bank transfer, where the money lands straight into your account. If the sender chose bank transfer, the money will be deposited automatically. However, occasionally you might need to provide your bank details. If Worldremit prompts you to do so, make sure you carefully enter your account number, bank name, and branch code to avoid any delays. Another popular option is mobile money, especially in Africa and Asia. If this is the chosen method, the funds will be credited directly to your mobile money wallet. Cash pickup is great for immediate access. You'll usually receive an SMS or email notification containing a reference number. Head to the designated agent location, provide the reference number and a valid ID to collect your cash. To stay informed, ensure your notification settings are enabled within the Worldremit app or on the website. You'll receive updates on the transfer status via email and SMS, keeping you in the loop. Worldremit prioritizes security. Always double-check the sender's details and avoid sharing your reference number or personal information with anyone you don't trust. And that's it. Receiving money with Worldremit is designed to be straightforward and secure, so you can enjoy your funds with peace of mind.